Let's go over the reciprocal identities real quick. Sine theta, cosine theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and then we have cot theta. And these identities are reciprocal of each other. So sine theta is also equal to cosecant theta 1 over, and cosecant theta is equal to 1 over sine theta. And cos is 1 over secant, and secant is 1 over cos theta. Tan theta is 1 over cot theta, and cot is 1 over tan theta. And another way of writing tan theta is also sine theta over cosine theta. And another way of writing cot theta is cosine theta over sine theta. Okay, let's go over the derivatives of trigonometry functions now. Derivative of sin x, derivative of cosine of x, and then derivative of tan x. And as we have seen here, derivative of cosecant of x, derivative of secant x, and then derivative of tan, then there is cot x. Okay, so sin x is, derivative of sin x is cosine x, and derivative of trigonometric function starting pronunciation with co is usually is negative of, derivative of cosine x is sin x, negative of sin x, and derivative of tan x is secant square x. Derivative of cosecant x is, so since this is cosecant, so it's negative of, as I've explained in the previous one of the previous videos, it's negative of, we're gonna take 1 cosecant here and 1 of cot x. Or another way of memorizing this formula is just memorize these over here. Derivative of cot x is, this is co, so it's negative of cosecant square x. And this is the best way of memorizing actually, to be honest. And then as tan is secant square and cot is cosecant, derivative of cosecant, then the only thing left is now we have to find the derivative of these two functions, right? We have already taken sine, cos, tan, cot, and two functions left, right? There's six trigonometry functions. So cosecant, derivative of cosecant is simply take 1 cosecant, since this is cosecant, so negative sine, right? Negative of cosecant, and take cot x. And so now guess what is the derivative of secant x? Simply 1 secant x times tan x. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you.